CTI stands for Computer Telephone Integration, a technology that allows interactions on a telephone and the computer to be integrated and coordinated. MaxCTI is middleware that provides the capability to integrate GoldMine CRM with business telephone systems of numerous vendors. MaxCTI enables two basic features for GoldMine users: a screen pop and a click-to-dial functionality. Screen pop feature allows users to see call completion window linked to a profile of a calling customer when a call comes in. Calling customers are usually identified by telephone number stored in GoldMine database. Click-to-dial feature allows users to dial a contact currently selected or opened in GoldMine CRM system. Studies show that these two features can dramatically optimize daily call handling routines. When a call comes into a company, an employee should carry out a number of tasks. First, he has to identify a customer. He has to recognize customer name correctly. Then he needs to find the contact in the database manually and make sure that he finds the person who's calling at the moment, not the other one with the same name, for instance. Once this is done, the employee opens a call completion dialog to enter call data. And we can imagine how the customer is frustrated when he, for example, calls back in a few minutes and has to repeat the identification story again. MaxCTI connector automatically finds a caller profile when a call is being received. Identification routines can take up to 30 seconds per inbound call and 15 seconds per outbound call. If you run a busy call center, this also means that you can service a high amount of calls, since more lines and agents are available. Finally, the automation that screen pop and click-to-dial features provide help employees make less mistakes when searching data and dialing phone numbers. Now let's see how it is done in real practice. We have Asterisk PBX acting as a business telephone system, and we have two software phones connected to it. We use software phones in this demo, however, for sure, hardware physical phones can be used instead. Next, we have GoldMine CRM system running. And finally, we have a CTI client application, an application that is responsible for integration with business telephone system. Now I will place a call from the first phone to the second. We see a screen pop appears before agent picks up a call. So enter call completion data. And now if we go to History tab, we see that we have a new event, a new call linked to a profile, and the profile has number 100, the one that we were calling from. To call a contact from GoldMine window, we can either select a contact or open a contact profile. Then click Telephony, dial contact. To get an employee connected to contact, the CTI application first commands the telephone system to establish the first call leg to a caller, or an employee, the one who established the call. Second, the CTI application commands the telephone system to establish the second call leg to a customer. So this is how a click-to-dial is done. CTI client application is available in 5 languages: English, German, Italian, French and Russian. You can contact us anytime for further information. Thank you for watching this video.